So what I've done here is that I have gone around my model, selected all the faces that the big main structures, for instance the roof. You can see I've laid it out here. All the main walls are done. The section of the building at the back here is also done here. Now there's all these small bits left that are basically individual faces. Some of them are like windows, each individual faces. So one way to do this is to do this the same way by selecting each individual face, which can be very painstaking and the long way to do it. The other way to do this is to instead of stitching each individual face, you can go and select each one of these faces. For instance, for instance, this clusters right here. So as you can see, they're really random there. But now I can use some of the options that are available to me, like for instance, planar mapping. I hit planar mapping, and you'll see that is it's actually mapped it out. So basically, these are the faces that are here for the three for the corner bits here. Three of them already been unwrapped for me automatically, but the rest of them were in each individual faces. So what we want to do is to ensure that this is done the same way, is to use planar mapping in this instance, and make sure x-axis is selected for it, and when you hit that, this should appear. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna scale this one down because it's too big at the moment, and just bear with me for a second. The thing is, because it's recording, it struggles quite a bit, and 3D Studio Max is having problems. So I'm just gonna rotate this one around and fit this just the way it is. So pretty much just similar. We can change these later on if we want to, depending on how we decide to put a texture in. I'm going to put a quite generic texture just for the sake of the tutorial. I'm not going to go too much detail into this. Again, I will select all these faces. As you can see, they're all over the place. So I'm going to select all the individual faces, move the model around again, repeat the process for all the bits that I know that like that. So I'm going to hit planar again, planar mapping, and you'll see that it creates this for me. Yes, so let's see if it's going to scale this time. Yep, it's scaling okay. Just what I'm going to do this, I'm going to repeat this process of all the bits. As you can see that the system's getting very sluggish. I'm gonna do this for all the bits, and then I'll see you in the next video.